against any Toyota Hilux, this is a masterpiece of customization, built to turn heads and dominate the road. From the aggressive widebody stance to the deep, powerful sound of its custom quad exhaust, every detail of this truck screams performance and style. One look at the back, and you know this is something special. The bold Hilux branding, integrated into the tailgate, sits perfectly between the